Ayana uria ni mubunge wa bunge ya Afrika ya irathiro Simon Mbugua na aruna ake aria nio Anthony Otieno, Elias Jamal na Benjamin Odhiambo makinyirio mbere ya mucirithania wa igoti ria guku Nairobi Martha Mutuku. Ayana magithitangwo na thitango ya kuiyakia hinya kuri tariki 30 mweri wa kana mukawa-ini wa Boulevard guku Nairobi kuria mahofaneirio ria wari murugamiri wa gikundi kia onjoria mucii wa Nairobi Timothy Muriuki. Othiana makiregana na thitango yo mbere ya mucirithanio ucio, undu uria ucungireirie mawakili yao aria nio Cliff Obeta, Harun Dubi na Nelson Havi kuhoya igoti kumarekereria na bodi.
It is therefore my humble submission that insofar as it relates to the second and the third accused person, the court should exercise its discretion without bearing in mind what my learned colleague has said on stringent terms.
Thegia ukorwo mwena wa thitango ni ukureganaga na kuheo bodi kwa anacio. Akiuga mahota kuhotomio thuthuria, mucirithania Mutuku ni augire marekererio na bodi ya ciringi 500 na kindu kingi kia muigana wa mbeca ota icio kana marihe mbeca baribari ciringi 200 o mundu. Hamwe na uguo, mucirithania ni athiria nacio maneane ibandi ciao cia bururi igoti-ini riu.
I will grant the accused persons bond in the following terms. 1. The accused persons are released on bond of 500,000 plus one surety each. In the alternative, each accused person may deposit cash bail of 200,000 each. In addition to the deposit of cash bail, the accused persons are required to deposit copies of the national ID cards.
Anacio maranyitirwo muthenya wa ira thutha wa borithi gukorwo magiethana nao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.